Real Madrid continues preparing for the match against Valencia. Arbeloa's team trained at the Ciudad Real, Madrid, to continue preparing for the match against Valencia in the 23rd matchday of La Liga, which will be held at Mestalla. Sunday, 9 p.m., ceased. Orange TV and DAZN. The players began the session with activation exercises on the pitch and then divided into rondos. Afterward, they carried out several possession and pressing drills, finishing with shots on goal. Next, they worked on a tactical phase and concluded with a match on a reduced-size field. Rodrigo trained indoors. Militao and Bellingham continue their respective recovery processes.